My name is Jillian and this is Jilly Camps Arizona, and today we are going to be moving all of my crap from my old Teton Oasis 18-liter bag to this new Teton Oasis 22-liter bag. So this is my new bag. I just wanted to show you as well and talk a little bit about what I bring hiking on a day-to-day basis. It's a lot of stuff. Buckle in. First of all, let's open up this pocket, take everything out. So this is the Garmin InReach. You've seen me do an unboxing of this. Anyways, I just wanted to show you like what I all bring here, right? So, and then I just have like a tampon. Listen, I'm a girl. And I have some toilet paper, some vanilla pocket back. I'm going to show this all to you guys. And I'm just going to put that in the same pockets over here, honestly. Put that over here. I think it's really important to bring something like this that's for emergencies only. Very helpful. What I like about the Teton is that these packs are very similar, you know what I mean? Now, as you can see, there's not much difference in the size. See? Look at this. It's like the same size. It looks like the same pack, honestly, to me. So I'm interested to see how they figure 4 more liters because it's 18 versus 22 liter. You know, I don't know. All right, that's it for that pocket. Sure, I got everything. Yep, that's all empty. That's everything for this little tiny pocket out here. Then in my side pocket, I just keep a lot of these goos. I've showed you guys these before, so I'm just going to put these in a similar pocket in the outside. Shove them in. This is trash. I'm going to put this in the side pocket there too. Okay, and then we kind of work our way up here. So this is my salt tabs, what I call the salt tabs. And then I brought one of these cookies. I'm just going to throw that away. And one of these. This is an extra GPS. And I'm just going to put that in the same pocket up here. No, this isn't a GPS. Sorry. This is a phone charger. Hey, you never know, right? You need phone chargers and all types. Very helpful. I have a protein bar. Multiple protein bars here. And a little mini cord to charge some stuff. I'm going to put that in there. Excellent. That's it for this little tiny pocket. Then the main pocket, I just have my 2 liter, which is full of water currently. And that's all I usually keep in that main pocket, because honestly, I don't really have that much. So we're just going to stick the 2 liter in there. And then finally, I have my 3 liter. And that is down here. Dude, I'm having troubles. Here's my 3 liter with the bugs today. Just gonna shove that in there. And like I said, I just keep the hose so that it comes out like this, you know, and it kind of tucks. I do like these little straps too. So the hose kind of tucks into these little straps right here. Pull that through, voila. But you could see that I don't feed it through these holes, right? I showed you those on the top of the bag. I don't feed it in those. And then what else do we got? Oh yeah, we have a couple of emergency things on the side here. So I have my whistle. I'm going to take that off. And tuck that in here, my emergency whistle. And what else do I have? Oh yeah, I have my bungee cord. Bungee cable for my phone. So I put my bungee cable over here. It's one of those things that slips onto your phone to kind of keep it like tethered. And that's it, dude. Look at this. Nice, huh? Ah, cool. That's pretty much it. Let me cinch this back a little bit. It seems kind of loose, doesn't it? And then this can be zipped up here. And voila, look at that, fully packed. That's everything that I bring. The only thing I brought, which I kind of bring sometimes and I kind of don't, This is an emergency kit. It's got like band-aids, all types of stuff like that. Sometimes I bring that, sometimes I don't. I haven't lately. Oh yeah, that's it. Look at all this, huh? It's kind of fun. Look, see? And then that's it. That's all she wrote for that. And then this thing is officially empty. Look at how like dirty and stuff this is. Holy cow. Wait, let's do a 10,000 mile review. Hey, and thanks for coming, by the way. This was easy, huh? I just wanted to give you a quick close-up. Feel free to thumbs up this video if you like this content, you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps, Arizona. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.